Hello, Kenneth Thomas here with FB Bootcamp Marketing. Be sure to stop by fbbootcampmarketing.com for the full fan page editor video series, template, cheat sheet, software tools, and more. Post any comments or questions below this video or at our fan page at fbbootcampfans.com. The 30-minute fan page part 2. Alright, so right now I'm at composer.net, and that's spelled K-O-M-P-O-Z-E-R. Now, Composer is a free piece of open source software. It's a WYSIWYG style, so what that means is what you see is what you get, and we're going to use this software to create the actual HTML code. Now, I don't want you to get nervous or anything. This is pretty easy to use. So the first thing you're going to have to do is download it. If you click on the download tab, it'll bring you to the download page, and now you can download this for Windows or Mac, Linux too. So I want you to go ahead and click the download button and download this, and now we're going to go right inside of the Composer software, and I'm going to show you how it works. Alright, so now I'm inside the Composer software, and how this works is we're going to build a series of boxes to create the page. And now, I'm not going to go into every single detail about how to use the software. If you do a search on YouTube for Composer, or you type in Composer tutorials into either YouTube or Google, you'll find plenty of videos on how to use this. I'm going to show you some of the basics, and then I'm going to give you a free template. I'm going to show you how to, you're going to need to download the free report, and there's a link inside to get the free template to get you started. So here's how it works. We're going to go to Insert up top, and then we're going to click on Table. And then this is how it works. You can build a series of boxes, and then these are going to be the different parts of the page. I'm just going to click one. Okay. Now when you do it, when you get the first box, you want to right click and then click on Table Cell Properties. Now when this box opens up, you want to click on Table on the left. Alright, and now it says width is 100 pixels. And what we want to do is our fan pages within Facebook are only allowed to be 520. You can make them bigger than that, but then people are going to have to scroll your page, and it's better to have your landing page the size they want. Alright, so sorry about that. So what you want to do is you want the width of your fan page is only allowed to be 520. You could be bigger than that, but people have to scroll the page. So what we want to do is make it to 520. That way people can view the whole page, and then click OK. Okay, so now this is the box you have. And then what you can do from here is insert another series of boxes. So we'll do this, could be a header. Then underneath, I'll put two more. So you could have your header here, your text here, an opt-in box here. Alright, and like I said, what I usually do is I'll get a piece of paper out and I'll draw on the paper what I kind of want my page to look like, get a rough idea. It makes it so much easier than trying to move all this stuff around, especially when you're first getting started. So I usually just make a draft, and then I'll draw it out on the screen the way I want it. So right now I'm going to give you a template that I'm going to it's going to be a basic template. It's going to be the header, a video, and an opt-in box. Alright, so you're going to have to go into the manual, into the free report, and there'll be a link there. So you want to click on that link. After you click on the link in the manual, the free report that's right underneath this video, this page is going to open up in your web browser, and I want you to right click on it, and then we're going to click on View Page Source. Now a new page is going to open up, and it's going to have the source code for the template. So all you got to do is right click again, click Select All, right click again, and click Copy. Okay, we just copied the template code, and what we're going to want to do is insert it here. So just come up top to where it says Insert, right, scroll down to where it says HTML. Now this box is going to open up, and all you have to do is paste the code, right, paste. It just takes a second to upload here for some reason. There it is. Alright, and then click Insert. Right, so the first thing you want to do is save this template. So we're going to go up to File, and then click Save As. right? So fan page template. Alright, so we're just going to save this so that you can make adjustments to it later. It's saved on your hard drive. Click OK. Right, now this is the basic template, and what we're going to do is take this template and create this page. Okay, so it's going to have a headline, a video, and then down here will be your opt-in code, your opt-in box. Now remember, when you're creating a fan page, you want to have a killer call to action. You want to have a reason for people to sign up in the first place or to click the like button. If you don't have a if you don't come up with a compelling offer, people aren't going to do it. So it'll just be lost amongst all the other fan pages out there. So you always want to think about what you're going to be using your fan page for and come up with some kind of a killer offer. When I created FB Bootcamp Marketing, I had a series, this series of videos you're watching right now, and the free report, and amongst many other things I'm going to be doing. So that's what I'm offering to the people. You always have to offer people something if you want them to join. Give them a reason for coming back. All right. So we're going to go into building the actual page now. So the first thing we want to do is add our header image, alright? And it has to be 520 pixels. It can't be any bigger than that. Now I host my images on my web server, and if you have a website, I'm sure you'll know how to do that. And if you don't, what you can do is you can upload the image to a website like PhotoBucket. Now I'm going to run over to PhotoBucket real quick and just show you how to do this, and we're going to get the code that you have to paste into the header image to create that. So let's go do that now. So now I'm at photobucket.com, and they allow you to upload images here and basically host them if you do not have a hosting company or a website. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. I'm already signed in. You just want to sign up for a free account. Basic information, name and email, stuff like that. Alright, so I'm currently signed in. I click the upload button and it brings me here. It says select photos and videos. So what we're going to do is upload a header image. So you're going to need to create a header image, and you want it to be no more than 520 pixels. Alright, so I'm just going to click a image, fan page header, and click open. Right, now it's uploading the PhotoBucket. Upload complete. Save and continue to my album. Alright, so now I've just uploaded the image and it's being hosted at PhotoBucket. So you want to do is find the image that you uploaded, double click it, and the page will load up. Right, so after you click on the image, it'll bring you to the next screen, and what we want is the direct link. Okay, so the direct link code. So you click on that. Alright, and it says copied. So now what we want to do is go back to Composer and enter this URL into Composer for our header image. Okay, now you can host as many images as you want, and like I said, with Composer you can build out a series of boxes and build your page to look any way you want. I'm giving you this template to make it to fast track it a little, so you might want to put this page up as your basic fan page at first while you're learning a little bit more about how to use Composer. So right now I'm going to show you how to you add the image. Okay, so now we're back inside Composer. We just copied the URL for our image that's being hosted on PhotoBucket. Like I said, if you have a website, you can host it there. So what you want to do is click on the header image. Okay, after you click it, hit the backspace button. Alright, and now we're going to go up to insert, and we're going to insert an image. Okay, this box is going to pop up, and we're going to paste the URL for the image we just added. Alright, now look, if you look real quick, right here it says 701. That's because my image is bigger than the 520 when I uploaded it. So what I'm going to do is click on dimensions and come up top and click custom size. So if your photo is not, if your header image is not the 520 and you want to just get it down to size, this is an easy way to do it. So we're going to enter 520. Okay, and then click OK. You got to make sure you do this, otherwise it'll blow the whole template out of proportion. Oh, one other thing, you got to add alternative text. Okay, so now there's the image. The next thing we're going to do is add the video. So if you have YouTube videos, it's pretty simple. We're just gonna grab the embed code, and then we're gonna upload it here. Be sure to stop by fbbootcampmarketing.com for the full fan page editor video series, template, cheat sheet, software, tools, and more. Post any questions or comments below this video or on our fan page at fbbootcampfans.com.